Hi, my name is Mario, and I made this video as a complement to my resume or curriculum vitae to further explain who I am. I was born and raised in Venezuela, where I went to school and developed an interest in learning about human behavior. I was also concerned about solving problems and increasing my creativity. Indeed, as I was interested in expanding my knowledge of society, I became a sociologist. But I felt something was missing in my education. So at the same time I did volunteer work helping stray dogs. Also, I was learning languages and visiting other countries to get a multicultural background and challenge my comfort zone. In fact, being in cities like London and Paris were an eye-opening experience, and I decided to study a master's degree in business and management to gain more skills in life and increase my understanding of the world. Now, as a sociologist specialized in business and management, I help organizations and people to get better, be more productive, working smarter, solving problems, simplify processes, among other advantages. Finally, I believe that for being successful, it is needed to help other people succeed first in their life and business. Thank you so much for watching this video. All the best, Mario.